Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever your time zone is. Welcome back to All of Fire 777 channel. Thank you all for watching, for liking, for sharing, for subscribing. Enough love, big up on yourself. I know it's another day in Grand Cayman. Yeah, so just came here to do a job and I'm leaving. Yeah. You know, it's a Thursday on the island. It's a Thursday on the island. Landscaping man, them a work. Oh, smoke. Gotta work. Yeah. Landscaping them a work. Yeah. Right. Oh, all of this grass to cut down. My gosh. That's a lot of work. Yeah, I remember when I used to do landscaping. So anyway, peeps, we're upon, that's the name again, Old Crew Road. Heading into Georgetown. Yeah. And as I say, it's another day in Grand Cayman. It's another day in Grand Cay. So they're making another lane right here. So we're gonna have 2 lanes. We're trying to ease the congestion of traffic on the road. So now peeps, yes, and this is a public bus look. It's a IS. Toyota IS, they normally use as public bus. So yes peeps, thank you all for the love and support. I really appreciate you all. Yes, so may I say, yeah, my customer this a long time, she not calling, I must text her and ask her what go on. As I finish now with text her. I haven't heard from her in a long time. Sometimes I have to text customer when I hear from them. Just to remember her. Sometimes I not remember them. So yes, jeeps. Me there. I head down in Georgetown. Going to sort out my phone bill now. Cool Grand Cayman. Cool Grand Cayman. That's a cool, I mean peaceful. Cool, not as in cool like Mandeville. Not as cool as Mandeville. Not that cool, but cool as in quiet and peaceful. Yeah, it is Cayman. I know it's after 10 now, but the sun is out. Yeah, hot already. Sweating off her back already. Yeah. So I can say peeps, we're heading down to Georgetown. We are heading to Georgetown. And as I said, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, people tell me say, oh, I watch your channel, but I haven't subscribed. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click the subscription button. Look here. It is free of charge. You don't have to enter your credit card information. Just subscribe. Where you wait for? Oh, you're not subscribed. You watch, but you're not subscribed yet. Where you wait for me subscribe? Like seriously? Are you kidding me? You're too serious. Go subscribe. Go and go subscribe. Now just pass the airport. Yeah. As I said, days to come, I'll be looking back at these videos and say, wow, beautiful Cayman Island. I used to be there. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful Cayman Island, I tell you. Like the Cayman, I know it's good say. I tell you, bloods, it's very nice, eh? No, that's Cayman accent, you know. I tell you, bloods. Yes. Oh, I realize nowadays all you can say a bicycle we're fully only do pedaling. Every bicycle are electric. That one, even though my pedal are electric to you mean too. Electric. Everything is electric now. Electric boogie. So peeps, anyway peeps, stick and stay. Let's see what else happened. Very interested, nothing interested happening. Keep on posted during the course of the day. Just stick and stay. Don't go away. Yeah. On fire, all the fire. So we're in Georgetown. Yeah, look like one ship today. One ship came. So some tourists are here on the road, so we're gonna be a bit congested today. Yeah. The road gonna be a bit congested. Yeah. Only one shirt for how much? Only $5.99. $6 for your shirts. Is that USRCI? These peeps. Fisherman in this are selling fish same way. Yeah. Whoa. It's the thing about Cayman, I like to see. I love to see the tourists them, because I know that bringing a lot of revenue to the country. And that's a good thing. Bar them full up and restaurant full up and all that. Yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah. That's a good thing, peeps. Wow, a jerk pan around there, so. Yeah, that's a real Jamaican jerk pan around the side of Guan. Yeah, then jerk pan them I like see. Like jerk in a Guan. Yes, that's a jerk pan. Yes, peeps. That's a real, I don't know if you can see it. I'll zoom in and I edit the video. But it's a real Jamaican jerk pan around there, so peeps. A real one. So here, so them have full moon party all the time. So from 8 o'clock to 1:40 a.m. That is it. Imagine that. Full moon party. See, so that's where they get the party stuff. Yeah, so see? Good amount of tourists out here today. Yes, that's a good look. That's a good look for Cayman. Yeah. But you know, one ship have a whole heap of tourists on it still. A whole heap of tourists come on one ship. Yeah, bus them bus they carry tourists, wait for tourists to pick them up. Those bus that you're looking at. And carry tourists from the port and carry them wherever they want to go on tour and all of that. You take them on tour. Yep. Even them bus here too. And bus here wait to pick up the tourists then, because some of them are bring them on tour, see me. Tour the island. All these buses and taxis waiting on tourists. Yeah. So that's a big ship. Oh, Carnival. Oh, that's a regular ship too. A Carnival there, regular ship from a Cayman. All the time. All the time it comes to Cayman. All the time it comes to Cayman. So I turn off, that's all. Yeah. Let's leave some of the circle the town. Cut out back through here, so. Yep. Cross mommy. When you're driving, you have to look out for pedestrians. Always look out for pedestrians. Yes, peeps, and see my Hilux here. I gotta have myself a Hilux. I love a Hilux. I love me a Hilux, peeps. And as I say, construction booming in a Cayman. Big building I put up here, so. Big. Yeah, all for Jamaican work over here, this is not normal. Huge, massive, humongous building, peeps. That's not normal. Yeah. So Steve, so reach back in a town again. So this is it. Cayman is very small, so whichever road you drive on, you just can go right and right round and round. Quick time. Them building here, they not let them build it. Them building here must some historical buildings. So they don't demolish them. You know, so there. Yeah. Some historical buildings. So we got Georgetown Post Office. Yes, people are showing a little bit of Cayman. Again and again and again. Little bit of Wagwan now. Georgetown. And most times you see markets, some Jamaicans that drive markets. Anything I go on a yard. Yeah, they bring you going within there. Yeah, so you know, Jamaicans I go. Love markets. Yeah, so this is Georgetown Post Office KY1. Yeah, so heading back out of Georgetown. So anyway peeps, stick and stay. I'm not going away. Don't go nowhere, mister. Don't go nowhere. Just tune in to the channel. Yep, that is it. Speak with the Snooze Lane. And as I say, only for car wash bus me and the Jamaicans. We got one there, so one there, so. That's 2, that's 3, that's 4, that's 5. Yeah. So they're taking it, they're all on lunch break. All of them are on lunch break. Yeah. But for them, I want to go on camera, so I'm not put them on camera. Yes, please. So I put them on camera because I don't want to go on camera. But then I want people so they do a Cayman, you know. And so one more year. See me? You know, I put on camera, peeps. No, I put them on camera, so I'm not put them on camera. But you know, only for car wash. They're on the place. They 1, 2, 3, 4. Car wash like trouble, peeps. Yeah, and they're mainly Jamaicans. You know? So we're then up on lunch break, you know. Yeah. So that's how we do it now, Cayman. Slowly for car wash, you know, peeps. So this is the World Gym. This is a gym. One of the most well-known gym in Cayman. Yeah. And all of you, them are run AC. What am I run AC? I'm not put it on you, man. Well, I'm afraid of camera, peeps. I know you're a criminal, man. I look for you. Peeps, I never said that Jamaicans scared of camera, so yo, they are like so scared of camera. Yeah.
Top of the morning.
Top of the morning. Yeah.
One top of the morning.
One top. Oh, me can't put it on it. Cause Jamaican them afraid of camera, you know.
Top of the fucking morning.
Alright, top of the morning there.
Medium, sir.
Alright.
Any bogus you get.
Yeah, so top of the morning there.
Yeah.
I start out one. What is Mustang?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, Camaro this man. Chevy Camaro this one. But this is an older one. Yeah, this is an older. Yeah, this is an older Chevy, but yeah, see, but it's heavy still, you know. Yo, this is a machine. Jeez, it is. Because the blue one look good, so but this look thicker.
Yeah. Top of the morning.
Yes, please, this is a Chevy. My one that. My one that. Eh? You know work, me I work? One work, man. So yes, peep, this is a nice Camaro. I don't know what year this, but a Chevy Camaro. With some oversized tires. I'm so size tire. Looking no size tire. Oh, 275, 40, oh, 20, 20. Yeah. But it's thick, peeps. In my vehicle, yeah. Waste of time to have them a Cayman. Can I road on there Cayman for them? Yeah. Man, waste of time to have them a Cayman, not true?
Eh?
I rode in the Cayman to drive my vehicle. A waste of time.
Jamaica one.
Yeah, I have the harvest on the toll. From Maypen to Mandeville.
Yeah.
That side there.
St. Thomas to Portland.
Yeah. Yeah. So there peeps. What are you understand get to work? Yeah, so sometimes I just park up and people come and get them actually. Top of the morning, man.
Top of the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is top of the morning.
From 19 hours long.
Yeah.
Because some people think I yesterday.
You vacuum already?
No, we're not doing it.
Oh, for the outside?
Yeah.
Oh. The female there though. Install in there. Fire extinguisher.
Why, that distinguisher them do well with one.
So yes peeps, this is some condos and some people vacation homes. Yeah, so apparently they are fixing the driveway. Not the driveway, the driving way over there. And asphalted and things, so they mark it over to them, put trailer tape. Somebody can't park over there, park on the roadside. Yeah. So this is how top of morning do it. Spray your name again? Degreaser.
Degreaser upon it.
Yeah. Spray degreaser upon it first. Then use a pump buckle like looking like how we use a country. And we use a country first, you know.
Yeah, we spray the
plant them, yeah. Yeah, so I use a spray degreaser upon the tire and the rim. So if we get off the grime and grease off it, much easier. But I like the Chevy, yeah. But you know, say Chevy is not really my thing. I look small still, but you know the Chevy is nice still. 2-door Camaro, yeah. No fun watch the channel and see blue Camaro. That's a newer one. This is an older one. But this is our RS and the other one is a blue one is a SS faster. If it's a Jamaica, it's like crazy. Yeah, sweet. So there. See, you have Volipa. When you're ready, man, tell me. I have drone too. When you're ready, tell me. Yeah. I have everything. Top of the morning, joining where you have Volipa. A length for your horse too, man. It look like about nearly 75.
Now it looks so bad, man. I'm 50, man.
50?
Yeah, a little bit more.
You look longer than 50, man.
Yeah, man, a little bit more than 50.
Yeah, because look like roughly you have
the one longer than this.
Yeah, the one that was about 35 and you add 25 to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's more than 50. But the fact that it can grow in the car more than 50. And it's still not let yeah. Yeah. Pressure wash the big and heavy though. Pressure washer heavy. Pressure washer heavy. You know I forgot Jim. Can you lift out this?
They don't know what to say, they have to
Well, you say you didn't got the muscle before.
But this, you see the pump?
Yeah.
And the industrial pump.
Yeah man, a big cat pump this.
You have to know me I deal with Philippine something.
Yeah, you have to turn all the way down.
Take off the colour.
Yeah man, I know man. You see the bus gone one day night like that?
Yeah.
Right, Bobby day every night.
You can't get any animal there, man.
Yeah man, that can wash. Wall.
Yeah man.
Building, me should have said, sidewalk, anything. Yeah man, industrial machine this. The top of mine, the kick it off now, peeps. Squeeze it in. Nah, come here. You turn on it? Oh. Yeah. Must always check. See if this fixed good properly. Okay, if that now, the nozzle not fixed properly, you get yourself in a trouble. top of man, I go blow it off and then you watch it. Yeah. So this is top of the man. There's the top of the man and another one of them when they're afraid of camera. The rest of them afraid of camera people and nobody see what them do a Cayman. You know? There's some man afraid of camera and nobody see what them do a Cayman. Everybody know what me do. Oh. The whole world.
Everybody know. You know, run nobody, you know, fuck nobody a Cayman.
Yeah.
You know, fuck nobody a Cayman. You work, you work. What again?
Top of the morning.
Alright. Top of the fucking morning. Come on.
The leak?
Come to work on yesterday.
Eh?
Come to work on yesterday because I'm a start.
Oh. But when you work on it, sometimes you run the pipe through it first. Yeah.
Well, the man just tried to come on because he's the Grand Cayman.
Oh. Well, they're down still, so I get the water feed still. This? Oh. Oh, so you wash it to your customer? To your customer? To your customer? Oh. So you skip, stick and stay. Top of the morning are doing things. I'm going away. On fire, hold fire. Nice. You look coming up so I don't go on camera. I get free advertisement and I want to go on camera, you know. I get free advertisement and I want to go on camera. I'm not telling you, I'm a friend car wash, you know, on the man thing up on camera. Yeah. But it's how MJ Mobile did it. MJ Mobile, I want to go on camera. So I'm showing you after work. That's free advertisement, but you don't want free advertisement. See, that's free advertisement, but you don't want free advertisement. It's an MJ. Let me show you back. Let me show you back. Pop yard. Alright. This is our Jamaican in this place. Yeah, whole for different company. Yeah. So this is a MJ car wash. I'm driving the back here showing the peeps. See there? It's a MJ spotless car wash. And this is my friend car wash. Yeah, my brethren car wash too. Yeah, Jamaican. Yeah. On top of the morning in my drive. Yeah, on top of the morning in my drive top shine. Yeah, so yeah, Jamaican own the car wash them. So top shine too. The top of the morning work with top shine. And me work with Judah. A couple more. I'm showing the rest of the name down there, so top of the morning almost done now. And this car is very easy to wash still. And so I like what silver car and if a black car.
Wow.
I don't like what black car and it's a hot sun I know. Yeah. Much one day I went Monday I go do one. Oh, I didn't say I survive. Honestly. I didn't survive if you do it.
I do one where
yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah. And you know normal too because the fact that you have a marine and a son, me I say, yo, you're serious. It's on about your skin. Eh? It's on about your skin.
It's on about my skin?
Yeah.
But me I look it to keep.
Yeah, but me I say a marine you have. How you manage your marine?
I can't manage the shirt.
Eh?
Now if you drop down.
Oh.
The shirt.
You sure you bring more heat?
Yeah.
Oh.
You can't manage it. The shirt them boy. But the long shirt, the big shirt, you know?
Yeah.
For them, no, I don't want none.
It's like...
I can't manage it.
Oh. I can't manage it. I could manage the marine alone, brother. I'm burn up. You saw them go home? Boom, but I'm a beard.
Deal with it.
Yeah.
Quick on?
Yeah, and quick and fast.
And come out tight.
Yeah. Ah. Come here, say you're normal for your marina still. You know, so I'm suit up. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Boy, I mean, under that suit, the boy, me are dead.
Oh, you think I can't wear the face mask?
Boy, I make it that work.
No, I can't put on a face mask. I can't manage that.
Suffocate.
I don't like it over my face. I don't feel good. Yeah. Yes, please, the top of the morning I do. Camera, yeah. Camera easy to deal with, man. Yeah, even the rim them, because rim them are aluminum, they're easy for wash. Yeah, man, you cannot blow them off alone on them. Them done.
You know the front one, them one, this one.
Yeah, that's this part. But it's still, as long as they wash off, then you don't spoil the rim still, you know. That's aluminum. Because the one thing with the dust, the dispatch dust there, you know, it's dangerous, you know.
What you talking about?
Yeah, man, never see it in aluminum, you know, the other, like the BMW man, so rim.
Yeah, man, that's how I like certain rims. You see them on certain rims.
Yeah.
People them and I say, yeah. But that people not get this 100, you know.
Yeah, it dig out the rim them, man.
Yeah, me too.
So yeah, that's why he could wash off then.
Take too long to deal with them, boy.
Yeah. But I love the aluminum rim them. Yeah.
And then star rim, yeah.
Yeah, then easier to wash. They're far easier to wash. That's the MJ done this, finish wash off the car done this, so peeps. So it is sun hot, extremely hot, and then in the sun. As I see, there is no shade here, so them park the vehicle in the sun and I do them. And so some of them do daily. Every day they do this case. Think about it. Every single day they do this. And Sunday to Sunday, sometimes none of them are taking a break. One of them man in work from Sunday to Sunday. In order to make up the money. Because in Cayman, we are on work permit, so you just work. You know what I say? I like to have papers here, you just on work permit, you just work. This one on this, so have any hat and thing. Yeah, but it's a tough job, you know. Outdoor job. But like when I move slow, I can't move so slow in a pace, I have to go faster than that. Whereas if I listen to music in my ears, I just move fast and done quick. Because the longest if you take me to do one vehicle, I like a hour to 45 minutes or more 45 minutes. I don't know longer. Now, if you take me 45 minutes, no. 45 minutes and so I'm done. Only if it's extremely sandy or full of dog ear, that's the only reason it take me that long. Take me an hour. But otherwise, it's like 45 minutes. Yeah. Just my bus to pass, park all the way down there, so. The other bus behind me move. So sometimes the guys in the park here, so take a break or eat lunch and so on, and people pull up behind them. Because this is a gym over here, so a lot of people come to the gym right during the day. So meanwhile they're at the gym, they're getting a car wash. Yeah, that's how it is. So even, you know like with them silver car, even the soap giant on it?
You know, like
no. You just blow on some water upon it and it come off.
you can wipe it off.
And it's extremely shine, yeah.
You can wipe it off.
Yeah. Extremely shine, man. But up at the morning I start back in big heavy machine. That's an industrial pressure washer. So when I wash the car I have to turn it all the way down. Because it's terrible. Full of power. Yeah. So I want you to do so. MJ spotless mobile car wash on the wash one. On top of the morning there, so top shine. I do another one. But I better move like you want a lamp pile, so. And in all of that, on top of the morning people, they move slower. Sometimes I just frustrate because it's sun hot, so then frustrated. One more Judah there. Judah! co-worker do that same way. Yeah, Musa, brother. Traffic car faster, man. Are you tired? Are you tired? Yeah. Eh? Yeah. It takes long to waste more water, you know. Eh? No, man. Anyway, peeps, we're there in a Grand Cayman. World Gym, Snooze Lane, I should say, not Snooze Lane. Top of the morning, almost done. Watch that thing here. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. I'm going away. Yeah, the top of the shine did it. Well clean. What we look like when I drive it. Oh, it's ready for the road. Ready for the road top of the morning. Yeah. You might come Peter, you move it. You might come Peter, you move it. Oh. Okay. So look like peeps, this is a Camaro. A Chevy Camaro. No, don't. On top of the morning. Yes. Yeah. Yes, peeps. Somebody has a nice shade. Oh. Sun a normal, peeps. But top of the morning, the night see me in Marina. But I'm gonna touch up all of the black part them, make it look extremely black. Yeah, that's how we do it in Cayman. Rim them clean, everything clean. I went driving at some concrete or something. Yeah, cause I see probably after a road done. Yeah. In driving night. Yeah. Alright, peeps, stick on. Yes, peeps, we leave in town now. We head on to West Bay. And so it's on hot. The Monday the water authority, they have shade. And they have a kingfisher for them water the sun. Yeah, so we head on to West Bay now. I go stop and get me some fish. Good one, no, I don't know fish. I haven't gotten any fish in a while now. So I get some fish. Brother say I have some angel fish. Yeah, and first I know angel fish. When I say angel fish, I know angel fish. Thank God to our Cameron Family TV. From Fear Channel, I say angel fish. So I say, oh, that's called angel fish. Yeah, so I know angel fish based on watching Cameron. So brother say I have only angel fish and some grunts. So I will get some. So probably to boil some rice this evening. Steam some rice and steam to the fish then. For a long time I don't eat no fish for dinner. So anyway, stick and stay. And I'm gonna see how that go. And we see how that go. So anyway, stick and stay, so reach our west. So yes, peeps, I stop and get 5 pound of angel fish. Yeah, 5 pound. Fisherman say I'm going to travel, so I'm not going to see him for about 3 weeks. Yeah, so hopefully I can get to other fisherman still if we need any more fish. But the 5 pound of fish are supposed to serve me for a little while still. We'll let's see how it goes. I'm soon showing you the angelfish because angelfish are look kind of different from the one it's a Cameron catch. But let's see how it goes, babe. So, it's back of my yard and almost reach my yard now. Yeah. So yes, babes, there. Back in the West Bay. I go look for my angelfish so I can steam it with some rice. I didn't even stop to get no okra, but I realized I'm not no okra. I love steaming fish with okra. So let's see how it goes, babes. Showing up the angelfish and the angelfish look nice still. Them broad. I'm gonna look like panga fish. What that sample? Yeah. Yes, babes. So showing them the angelfish then. Showing them the angelfish then, babes. I reach home my hunger like hunger, babes. You know hunger? Come I left early this morning, didn't eat anything substantial like I normally do. Not normally my style that I go up on the road and I eat properly. And this is a hot sun. Showing them the angelfish, babes. This is my angelfish. Kind of look different as I say. And then there was say oh, the same thing. See? So this is angelfish. So Cameron, if you watch, tell me if I same thing as angelfish. It look like one of Mr. Cameron catch still. Look like them see one of Mr. Cameron catch. Yeah. So that is it, peeps. 5 pounds of angel fish. So as I say, now waste no time. I could just go steam it now with some rice. Sure, I'm gonna record that now. I'm too hungry. I'm very hungry. Hungry, peeps. So very hungry. So I'm home now. Pack up kind of house. Let's yes, please. So I'm gonna see when I'm reach home. In a house. Yeah. Reach home, please. So the fish are in the sink. And you can separate, I'm going to separate. Oh, look what I reach home to. Look what I reach home to. And people are using the peeps. Come pick one actually the other day. Somebody pick off the other two. Somebody pick off the other two peeps. And they're young, you know. Somebody pick off the other two after it. So you know, it's a rat race to pick off them, get out the money now. Yeah. I didn't want that small. You know, a rat race. But you know, the angelfish them, I think them I do good if I roast them. I think one of them evening I come home and roast it for dinner. I can do it tomorrow evening. I can roast it for my dinner. And then even I roast for the angelfish for dinner. Yeah. But this is normally my jelly tree. The jelly them pan it very young, I know, not the pan can drink. Not the pan for drink, babes. Yeah, I'm never go near it. I didn't go near the farmer's market to get my jelly water. Probably tomorrow I'm gonna get some. Babes, this is the backyard. Yes, this is what I wake up to in the morning, open the back door. Yeah, a lake. Running so cool and nice. No matter the place at, when you come home, running so cool all the time. Cause of water and the tree them. So anyway, peeps, thank you all for watching, for liking, for sharing, for subscribing. I appreciate you all. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And to all our new subscribers, then big up on yourself, enough love and respect. Yes, and I'll keep you posted with more video every single day. So don't know what Thursday, so I'm gonna go cook and do a live. So pick up on yourself. One fire, all the fire. Love what I do what I love, and do it to the best of your ability. Peace out.